When it comes to the product onboarding and in-app support landscape, you get these AI chatbots, right? Which most of the time doesn't really resolve your query. So either you would end up watching a YouTube video to understand how to resolve your problem, or you would opt into a real agent, so that agent would most of the time get through to a screen share session with you and then try to resolve your problem, which takes quite a long time. Or you get these dysfunctional product guided tours, which most of the time you simply just end up skipping them altogether. So with Marketrix, we are building a simulated spatial understanding about your product, so that we are able to provide automated co-browsing based support on your product, rather than just giving a text based support, right? So simply what you need to do is you need to give your app demo login, upload the walkthrough, upload the documentation and the walkthrough videos, then run simulations, so that we build this spatial understanding about your product, so that we are able to provide to your users automated in-app support with co-browsing as well. So I'll show you how it works. So you simply need to give add the login URL, and then you need to add your login credentials. And after you give your login credentials, then of course we run simulations on the app, right? So these simulations are actually run based on alongside cross-checking with your documentation, and then of course the walkthrough videos that you upload as well. So once the simulations are run, then of course you are able to modify and understand how we have understood the different journeys within your product. Of course, you are in the driver's seat. You can of course always say this particular understanding that we have got about your product is wrong, right? I'm just taking Canva as an example. Right now, if you ask from Canva, how can I crop an image? It would just give you do 1, 2, and 3, right? So with our product, when you ask from it how can I crop an image, it basically guides you to different step-by-step stages, and then work with you to essentially resolve your problem, right? So this is essentially what we are building with Marketrix. Would love to have a chat with you if you are kind of a SaaS product, in terms of how we can automate your onboarding and then in-app support journey.